China's first independently developed and built ultra-deepwater gas field Shenhai Yihao, or Deep Sea No.1, on August 20 completed its first underwater pipeline cleaning work since it was put into operation in June 2021. Located 150 kilometers from the city of Sanya in South China's island province of Hainan, the semi-submersible oil production and storage platform is able to operate at a maximum depth of over 1,500 meters in the sea, connecting facilities on ocean surface and in deep sea and used to transport oil and gas. The pipelines are easy to be blocked or corroded due to sediment and fluid buildup. To cope with the problem, 3 sets of pigging ball devices are designed and deployed for cleaning up the pipelines and transporting facilities. In the process of pipeline cleaning for more than 72 hours, the pigging ball advanced at a speed of around 5 to 6 kilometers per hour in the pipes, and finally completed the cleaning work for a total length of over 100 kilometers.